So here we go. I installed the angle grinder safety plate. This is the safety plate, which protects you from the sparks and flying metals. And this is the other safety plate for cutting, which does not break and go everywhere. So this is the first test of the angle grinder. So we installed the handle, which is supposedly to be behind the safety plate because it will protect your hands. Second thing, which I forgot, this is very important, guys. The second thing, we need to wear safety gloves. By any means, you can cut your hand or do anything stupid, so we need to wear safety gloves. Okay, so I'm wearing the Total from the Total company, the Total safety gloves, and I'm going to use it for cutting. Here we go. This is the first firing test. It's a very small one compared to the large one, which I didn't post yet for operation, but I will post to you guys the large one, the 9-inch in operation and cutting, but I didn't post because it's very heavy, so I thought about working with the smaller one. See, Total, and the glove is Total as well. It has the same color, see? So let's go and cut some metals. See, that didn't take any minutes. Wow, did you see that? Really, it's really 12,000 RPMs. As it's written on the ticket, it's 12,000. And it's very noisy. I thought it will be a little noisy, but it's not. Still didn't get some earpiece because the guy told me he will get me a decent earpiece for protecting my ears from that noise, as well as a safety jacket. We need to get both of those. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time on YouTube. Take care.